Standard 8, Maths, Chapter 9, Algebraic Expression and Identities. Hello everyone, in last video we have studied what is identity and what are the 3 or 4 different types of standard identities we are going to use. Now in this video we will learn that how to apply these identities to questions or to algebraic expressions or to solve numerical values or numerical things. Okay, so we will proceed with example 11. So the first part of example 11 is 2x plus 3y whole square. We have to solve this without multiplying and we have to solve by the help of formula. So what was the first identity we have used? First identity we have used a plus b whole square. What was the result? It was a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this was our identity and we are by using this we have to solve these expressions. Now in place of x what we have? In place of a what we have? 2x, and in place of b we have 3y. So how we are going to write? This is a square means 2x square, okay, plus 2ab. 2 into a is 2x, b is 3y plus b square. This is 3y whole square. So please don't forget to write both the terms. Okay. Now what is 2x square? This is 2x multiplied by 2x. Since power is 2, so what is will? 2 into 2 it will be 4 and this x into x will be 4x square. Okay, so the answer is 4x square. Now what is this? 2 into 2 into 2. This is 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 this is 12. Now variable portion x into y it will become xy. Now this 3y square will be 3y into 3y. It will become 3 into 3 9. Y into y will become y raised power 2 or y square. So it is 9y square. Okay, so we are not multiplying. I'm just showing it to clarify that how we are going to solve this directly. Okay, so this was all. So the next part, I hope this is clear to you. If not clear, you can rewind the video and you can watch it once again. So next part is this 103 square, B part. This is second part of this question. This is 103 square. We have to calculate now. One is simple is we can multiply 100 into 100 by it will become troublesome. Now we are going to apply our identity number 1, that is a plus b whole square. Okay, so how we can write this 103 by splitting? We can we write 103 equals 100 plus 3. Okay, we can write because 103 plus 103. So it will become, we can write it as 100 plus 3 whole square. Clear? We are splitting this 103 into 100 plus 3. So now we are going to apply this identity. This identity was a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now in place of a we have 100 and in place of b we have 3. So a square means 100 square plus 2a is 100, b is 3. This b is 3 square. So this is 100 square is 100 into 100. This will become 10,000. Okay. 2 into 3 6. 6 into 100 is 600. And 3 square will be 3 into 3. This is 9. So this is 9. So when we are adding we will get 10,609. This is very simple. If we are going to multiply like it in a conventional way, it will become a bit problematic. So we are going to apply this identity. Please do carry practice more and more some from different books like R.S. Agarwal you can take for practice so that concept will be more clearer. Basics I am explaining you in videos, so practice more and more some as far as possible. Now example 12 sorry, example 12 and your page number is 150. So what is example 12 is using identity 2 we have to calculate first part 4p minus 3q whole square. Okay, So second identity we study was a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. In place of a we have 4p. In place of b we have 3q. Now how we are going to write? This is a square means 4p square minus 2a. This is 4p into b. This is 3q plus b square is 3q square. Okay. This is 4p square is 4p into 4p. This will become 16 and this will become square. So it will become 16p square minus 2 into 4 8, 8 into 3 this is 24, p into q is pq plus 3q is 3q square is 3q into 3q, this will become 9q square. So we can simply calculate it in one single step. This is directly we can use. I am explaining because in order to clarify the things. Okay, now the second part of this. Second part of the same is this is 4.9 whole square. Okay. Now 4.9 we have to like in case of 103 we have split 103 equals to 100 plus 3. So same way we are going to uh, split this. This 4.9 can be written as 5 minus zero point 0.1. This is if we are subtracting 5 it will become 4.9. So this 4.9 is we are writing as 5 minus 0.1 whole square. Okay. Now what was the identity? This is a square minus b square. It was a square minus 2ab plus b square. So right in place of a we have 5 and b we have 0.1. Okay. Now this is a square means 5 is square minus 2 into 5 into zero point 0.1 plus 0.1. 5 square is 5 into 5. This is 25 minus 2 5s are 10. 10 into zero point 0.1 will be 1. This is plus zero point 0.1 into zero point 0.1 will be 0.01. Point, okay. Now solve 24 minus 1 will be 24 plus 0.01. The answer will be 24.01. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now identity 3. What we have studied, we have to apply those things. So example.